Hey folks, Ralf with Stray Benzes. In today's mini episode, I've got an interesting issue for you, and that is flickering lights, meaning the lights are dimming, getting brighter every other second. It was up and down, up and down, up and down, the light scale. Did not know what to make of it because the alternator in this car is barely, I would say, about 2 years old. Probably less than 20,000 miles on it. This should not be an issue. However, you never know what you're going to find. So here is the quick synopsis of what happened. So the first thing to troubleshoot is if the lights dim without the engine on. So shut the engine off. Light stays steady, nothing happens, which means it must be something related to with the engine engaged. So the only other thing that is the culprit right away is indeed the alternator, because it has a voltage regulator. And so with the engine running, I measured the voltage across the plus and minus pole of the battery. And voila, the voltage went up and down by about a volt or something like that, which is very significant. It normally doesn't do that. And the voltage regulator is part of the brush set. That's the culprit actually of this thing. So I'll show you where to find it on the V8. It's fairly straightforward to get to, and even on the diesels, it's also not too bad to get to it. Oh, it's held in place by two little screws, but here we go. There it is. On the V8, it's on the passenger side, way up front, and you can see the two little screws. I highly recommend disconnecting the battery while you're taking that off. I had a spare one here, snapped it in place, cranked it up, and voila, the light fluctuation completely disappeared. And this is with this relatively new, and you can see those brushes still fully extended, not too worn, function properly. That's not the problem, but the problem is actually back in here, and that's what caused it. So goes to show you that it's always interesting that small little things can have a relatively big effect. I highly recommend to have a spare brush set around for various reasons. I'm also very certain that a genuine OEM Benz alternator wouldn't have the issues after 20,000 miles. Most of them make it way past 100,000, unless you run through mud and stuff like that and destroy bearings and stuff like that. But anyhow, good luck, happy wrenching, keep the classic Benzes on the road, and until next time, subscribe, bye-bye.